So we've recently realized that LinkedIn's a much bigger platform than a lot of people are using it. And one of the things that I've been focused on recently is thinking, what platform has undervalued attention? Because when you connect with someone on LinkedIn, I'd say there's like an 80% chance that they're actually going to connect with you. On Instagram, if I follow someone, I'd say there's probably like a 10% chance they're going to follow me back.
Less than what you can find on LinkedIn for sure.
Less than that. And then when I share a piece of content on LinkedIn, everybody can see that. So we've also been getting bigger into posting Medium articles. So it's like every single person that I add on to my LinkedIn into my connections also sees everything about voice that I'm posting.
That's true. And also what's good is to make like the posts on LinkedIn. You can do like kind of like blogger posts in a way. Like I know my dad, he's a professional, and he did a post for like incoming paralegals, like the 5 ways that they could, prep themselves for an interview as a paralegal or something like that. And like he got a lot of views and likes on that. So like stuff like that, like people on LinkedIn are really into like, they're really into like how to put this? They've incorporated blogging into LinkedIn. So people are really into that, seeing like a lot of information, resources. They're big on like seeing like links and stuff like that. I think it's pretty.
We were just sharing Medium posts, but Pat found yesterday, a couple days ago, that you can add publications. So now rather than just sharing them as a post, we go in and add a publication. You have a lot of endorsements on LinkedIn. It's like for each thing that you add onto your profile, it adds just a little bit of social clout that you didn't have before.
Yep, that's
and
exactly.
Like LinkedIn's just kind of where it's at.
Well, the cool aspect is when you see the list of articles that you wrote, it kind of has a summary of them and then brings you directly to the article. And so if you're talking to somebody, you've got 2 candidates for a job that are both the exact same, except one person has published 100 publications online where you can read his exact thoughts about whatever he thinks, and then the other person doesn't have one. I mean, it offers you a chance not to be an expert, but at least to express your opinion about whatever you want.
I personally have started to feel like everybody is an expert at something, and the fact that people, like just like you said, they're not putting the content out, they're hurting themselves. I feel like a lot of people have this perception that what they do in real life should matter more than what they do online.
Well, instead of trying to capitalize off of what you do in real life and how it can transfer onto the online platform, like.
Yes, how can you take a single experience that you did and then have it provide the biggest return on investment that you could possibly have?
That's how I view everything. Yeah. That's how I see everything. Well, everything is a chance you can capitalize.